What if the secret to building wealth isn't in Wall Street, but hidden in ancient traditions? Imagine this. The world is obsessed with speed, fast trades, instant gains, overnight success. But there's a place where time moves differently. A culture that believes wealth isn't a sprint, it's a carefully crafted art form. Welcome to Japan. This isn't just another economy, it's a living blueprint for resilience and precision. And today, we're pulling back the curtain on something powerful. Investing lessons rooted in centuries of wisdom. Lessons that could change how you handle your money. Forever. Let's start with a story that begins in the ashes of World War II. Japan was devastated, cities flattened, industries destroyed. Yet out of nothing they rose, becoming one of the most powerful economies in the world. How? Not with reckless risk-taking, not with chasing quick wins, but with something deeper: values, patience, harmony, long-term thinking. While the rest of the world played the short game, Japan doubled down on the long game. And that's where the magic begins. One word: Kaizen. It sounds simple, but it's a mindset that transformed an entire nation. Kaizen means continuous improvement. Tiny steps, daily progress. Think about that for a second. While most investors gamble on big leaps, Kaizen whispers, take small, steady steps. Plant seeds today. Watch forests grow tomorrow. But there's another secret, one most outsiders have never even heard of. Nemawashi. It means preparing the roots before planting a tree. In business, it's quiet groundwork before making big moves. In investing, it's research, planning, patience. No impulse trades. No emotional meltdowns when markets swing. Every decision is deliberate, calculated like a master chess move. And here's the thing. These ideas aren't just for corporations. They shape how families save, how individuals invest, even how entire industries plan for decades. Imagine a strategy that doesn't live for the next quarter, but for the next generation. Sounds perfect, right? Well, not so fast. Because even with these principles, Japan faces massive challenges: an aging population, shrinking workforce, decades of low interest rates. For investors, that's like running uphill with weights strapped to your legs. So how do they survive? How do they keep growing when the odds are stacked against them? Here's where the story takes a twist. They adapt, but without losing their soul. Japanese investors are going global, spreading their roots beyond domestic markets. They're embracing technology, building wealth with fintech tools. And the younger generation? They're betting on sustainability, investing in companies that protect the future. Because long-term isn't just a strategy here, it's a way of life. And that's the real lesson. In Japan, wealth isn't about speed, it's about staying power. It's not the rush of the race, it's the calm of the marathon. While the world chases shortcuts, Japan quietly proves that patience, preparation, and discipline will always outlast hype. So the question is, what about you? In a world obsessed with fast wins, will you keep chasing the quick fix? Or will you slow down, master the art of steady growth, and build wealth that lasts a lifetime? If this opened your eyes, there's more. Check out our next video, where we explore how other cultures hide money secrets in plain sight. Because sometimes the best strategies aren't in the headlines, they're in the history books. Don't forget to subscribe, because the next financial revolution, it might just start with ancient wisdom.